guys, so we're back at it again with another video. Today's video is the spicy noodle challenge.
So I bought these noodles
The spicy noodles
off of Amazon. I just typed in spicy noodle challenge and then this popped up. So we just gonna give this a try, you know? It's a contest. Like whoever can finish it first.
Oh yeah. You can't have a drink, right?
Well, we're gonna have a drink next to us, but whoever drinks it first is out, and whoever finishes the bowl first wins.
What if it's too hot? I don't think it's gonna be that hot. I really don't think.
I like spicy stuff. So
I do too, so I mean.
I think I'm gonna be fine. I don't know about you.
I'm gonna be good. Like,
I'm gonna be good.
I can dog this whole thing. Come on now.
You can dog 5 packs.
Maybe not. I'm exaggerating. But let's get into the video. So.
Cause I'm about to get it.
As I was saying.
I'm about to win. So what happens if one of us win?
I don't know. We should come up with something and then put it into the video. What we saying? What happened when we win? I don't know.
We'll think.
So yeah, we're downstairs in my kitchen. We have the water boiling behind us.
Now this is turning into
a cooking show. It's a cooking show now.
Yeah.
So open it. We're about to put the seasoning and all that inside the big old pots. What the? It's moving because of the heat.
Yeah.
Kind of weird.
See, these are big.
Oh yeah, they're kind of big. They're chunky.
He said that we were gonna do 3.
This is the product. I don't have a picture of what it was gonna look like in the end, but hopefully it might look like something like that. And then, yeah, does it smell weird?
No, because the spices in there and stuff like that.
Yeah. All right, so now we about to turn this into a cooking show. So Chef Sky over there.
So first I'm gonna take these out because we don't have to use these yet. All we're focusing on is boiling the noodles. So I'm gonna put them in. You want me to put yours with mine?
Some paranormal activities pot. She better drop the whole thing.
Check this out. I think I need water. Okay, so water is supposed to be over the noodles.
Yeah, I told you we're gonna need more water.
There's not enough water in this pot, so this is where we're messing up already. Yeah. So
Jordy's about to add some more water.
Yeah. Look at it, it's white, it's clean. So more water because the noodles are gonna burn. Burn noodles, burn. The water needs to be over. Yeah, nice point.
I'm not very good at cooking, so I have no idea how this is gonna go. But there's room for improvement, I guess. She's still pouring the water into the pot. Because she's saying that the water has to be over the noodles. I can make cereal. That counts, right? Sandwiches, stuff like that. I used to be able to like make like the pizza. You know how you warm it up in the microwave or something like that? I used to be able to do that. I don't know if that's really good.
Oh, he tried it.
But I used to be able to do that. That's what we got so far. I mean, we could put the seasoning in.
how high did you put this?
I don't know. I put that at 8. Look.
Oh, okay. Okay, so basically, we're just waiting for the noodles to get soft. Because right now they're still like bricks.
Burps.
And this is
our drink of choice. Water.
But we're not supposed to drink it.
Holy Springs.
And if we do drink it...
Poland. My bad.
If we do drink it, then that person's out. We need to think of like what we're doing this for.
Like whoever wins the challenge wins something or something like that?
Yeah. Whoever loses has to buy lunch tomorrow at work. So I'm gonna win.
I like that.
I'm gonna win. Because we're going on a field trip tomorrow too.
Oh, so we can get some expensive. Oh, I'm not. Sky, I eat faster than you though. What? You already at a disadvantage. Even if I don't like it, I'm gonna eat faster than you. So you're kind of already at a disadvantage. So
Wow.
this is a trump card. She's going to lose because I eat really fast. If you know me, you see me eat in person, I eat fast. Everyone says I eat fast. Like a prison, like I'm in prison, gotta guard you from
That
me.
could be the case. Yeah, I don't eat that fast. But they're spicy, so maybe it's gonna be too hot for you and not that hot to me.
I mean, I like spicy things too, though. So,
So I'm probably gonna lose, basically.
hey man.
Or it could just be
what's
really
wrong?
hot for both of us, and we could just both be in tears.
I don't want to give up though. Like I'm not one to give up that easily.
I'm not gonna give up either.
So we about to check on the noodles to see what's up. Napkins.
The pot is spazzing out.
Placemats.
Oh yeah, we gonna have a nice little fancy dinner.
What is it, dinner?
Fancy lunch contest thing. Whatever we're doing.
Yeah, hold the napkins around. Books. What? Oh, so I think there's why not?
So Shorty's still stirring it, as you can see.
Just getting there.
It's getting some improvement. Meanwhile, while she's doing that, guys, we're about to check on the dog and see what they're doing. All right, my little man's is out. There we go. And look, he's fantasized. Before this, we didn't really eat that much. We ate
something in the morning, so we both should have an appetite.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna be that hot.
I think
feel
it's
like
gonna be hot. I don't know why, but I have a feeling it's
I mean, because it came with 2 packets. One of the packets was like vegetable things.
No, it's not even vegetables. Like usually it's vegetables. That it said like straight pepper flakes.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
And then there's like this liquid. in it,
Yeah.
So honestly, man, I'm hungry. So I hope it's good.
I'm hungry too. Like I hope it has some type of flavor.
Bro, this better not be nasty, bro. I'm gonna be heated.
It's gonna be nasty. I have a feeling it's gonna be nasty.
Oh,
Or we're gonna try it and we're both gonna be like,
Man, we gotta check on the noodles now.
So Justin's stirring the pot still. But yeah. After this, could I eat some soup? Because I feel like I'm not gonna like this. And I'm actually hungry.
Well, there's also ziti and broccoli in here too.
Well, I'm eating some real food after this because this looks like it's gonna taste nasty.
Alright, so if the video fails, we have soup as one option, and then we got ziti and broccoli as the other option. So either way, we're eating good, and that's a fact.
So now Justin's gonna put in the pepper flakes.
Still going to cut it.
Those are the noodles.
Oh yeah, there's actually a lot in this little packet. We can spread it out after I cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Did it just get really dark?
No, it looks fine.
Since I had that in, should I put in the other stuff?
No, not yet. Mix that around.
Back in the kitchen again. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it and put it in the sauce. Oh, but I feel like this is gonna. Oh, jeez. Here goes nothing. Yo, it smells spicy.
Oh, let's squeeze out every last little bit of it. It's going to get a lot of water. You don't have to put the whole thing. Or you do.
We want that consistency. I thought it was gonna look red or something.
I think it's supposed to. I told you. I think we had too much water.
Okay.
Do you want to add
Add a what?
another of the juicy stuff?
Yeah. So we had to open up another pack.
Basically, we gotta force it. We gotta put in another pack of the seasoning stuff because we feel like there might be too much water. But at the same time, there might not be, and we might just be tapping. But no matter what, it's gonna be like extra spicy now.
I'm putting in the pepper thing too.
Yeah. So we doing the extra hot spicy noodle challenge.
Okay, so we let the spicy noodles sit for a minute, and it started changing color. So it started changing that reddish color. But us being stupid, we added another pack of seasoning into it. So now it's about to be dumb hot if it really is hot.
No, like we're gonna die.
Oh, we about to find out. Sky's about to have an asthma attack. Okay, but we're about to find out. Yeah, boy.
It's like dark red.
So the noodles are made and they're in the plates. The moment of triumph, the moment of truth to see who wins. Or we should probably taste it first.
Yeah, we're gonna try it first. We're gonna go 3, 2, 1. We're both gonna try it at the same time. Get our reactions, and then we'll actually start doing it. But this is what it looks like.
Yo.
Yeah, we're both nervous. I'm nervous. It's hot down here.
Yeah, because we're just cooking and it's kind of hot outside today.
We both have to take the same amount. No baby bites. We're gonna take the
So
same
you want a big bite?
to try it, like this much.
Yeah, but I want to get mine with some juice in it or whatever. What is it? The liquid?
Okay, that's a good amount.
1, 2,
Oh my gosh.
3. Wow, it is spicier than I thought. Okay. Yeah, this, yeah. At first, it's like, it's not that spicy. And then it hits you with something.
It's hitting me in my chest.
Yo, I'm down. Let's do it. You ready?
Wait, I feel like I'm gonna die.
You can give up now.
What? You don't feel it like in your ears?
No, I feel it in my mouth, like at the end. Let's go.
Okay.
Feeling like not. You good?
You're
You're
sweating.
about to give up.
You're sweating.
But it's not that, like, it's not that bad.
Okay. Okay.
You ready?
Wait, we didn't say go. You cheater.
You feel a bite. The second bite isn't as bad. Well, not for me. So can go?
Yeah.
Do we have to drink the juice too?
What?
The liquid?
You wanna have a heart attack?
Oh, that's true. Oh, we can't drink water. I was about to grab the water.
This is dumb. Oh my god. My eyes are watering. Is your mouth watering like a lot? Bro, can I spit?
Nope.
Why?
Nope. Give up. Yo, I'm sweating bullets. You are too.
No, this is like actually bad. Oh my gosh.
Yo, give up.
I'm about to pass out.
Give up then. Give up. I'm not giving up. Drink water.
Bro,
Drink water. Pass out.
I'm gonna pass out.
Give up then.
Oh, this isn't funny.
Then drink water.
They're kind of good though, like the taste of them.
My nose is running.
Yo, it's so bad. I hear it ringing in my
Bro,
ears.
are you gonna eat? You gotta keep eating. Or you gotta give up.
Look at your eyes. You're crying.
You're not eating, bro. You lost, bro.
I'm not. I'm about to
You're not
eat it.
eating. Nah, Sky lost. Nah, you gave up. You gave up.
I didn't give up till I said that I gave up.
They're not eating, so that's not
I
fair.
am eating. It's not about if it's fair or not. It's if you finish before me. Or who says that they give up first.
So, in conclusion, we decided it's a draw. Like, my mouth is still burning.
Couldn't do it, JJ.
Yeah, we couldn't do it. Try it. It's right there.
Just like...
Yo, like, try it. Like, no, like, seriously, in all seriousness, bro, it's actually bad. Like, we both had to end it. Like,
He was crying.
she was too. She was tearing up.
Sweating. My lips hurt.
Look.
My lips hurt so bad.
Like, it's bad. Try it. Do it for YouTube.
Just try it. Do one.
Yeah, just do one bite. We did like a good, like, 3-4 probably.
It was done. Like, it, try it.
Like,
Just
we're
try
both
it.
sweating. You not see us, Jake? It's not, yo.
My lips hurt.
Go ahead, Jake.
Go ahead.
I mean, it tastes, I don't know. It tastes decent. If it wasn't spicy, it would actually be good. Nah, I thought I could do it too. I really thought I could do it.
You're tapped.
Nah, he's playing around. You know damn well it hurts.
Jacob.
He's about to be on the toilet after this, bro. So your conclusion on it?
Pretty spicy.
How the fuck you lying?
Yeah, I couldn't eat that with the drink, but like the whole thing was that we couldn't eat it with the drink. Yo, so that's the video, guys. Look. You see the light? Oh, that's all the sweat. So that's our video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Share. Yeah, always share. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We'll be back at it again in a little bit with some more videos, you know? Yo, we thought the video was over, but Jacob's having some flashbacks to after effect of that. Look at that. Look, he's drinking. He said milk. He's taking a shot glass of milk. A shot of milk.
It hurts.
You too.